Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 7 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and then on your smartphone enter YouTube app. And then press this button in the top of the screen. Select your TV and confirm. Now when your devices are connected, you can play anything you'd like on the TV via smartphone. In order to disconnect your smartphone from TV, again press this button and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.